Hey friends, Eliane from Patchwork and Poodles here, and I want to tell you about my latest quilt pattern, Starlite. Starlite is a beginner level quilt pattern and it comes with 4 different sizes: baby, lap, throw, and bed. It also comes with instructions for 3 different variations: 3-color, fat quarter, and scrappy. The 3-color variation uses yardage. The fat quarter variation uses fat quarters or fat eighths, which is like the quilt that you see behind me. It was all constructed using fat eighths in various shades of the same colors. The final variation is scrappy, and it's made for you to be able to either use layer cakes or to use up those scraps. Every quilter I know has an overflowing scrap bin. Let's put it to good use. You need squares that are at least 4 inches square, and then you're good to go to make the scrappy variation of Starlite. The great thing about the scrappy variation is it also has a scrappy background, so you're really using up all those tiny pieces in your scrap bin. In contrast to the scrappy variation, the 3-color and fat quarter variations use one solid color as the background fabric. I'm super excited about this pattern because it has so many ways that you can really vary it to make it your own. I love quilts that are really unique, quilts that I can make, and they really feel like me, and Starlite is one of those patterns for sure. You can find Starlite by heading to my shop, patchworkandpoodles.com, or click on the link in the description below. See ya!